Listing and selling your property can be a complex and stressful process. Let us take that stress away and simplify it for you. There's 4 things you really want to pay attention to when you're listing and selling your property. Number 1 is price. We provide you with a comprehensive market analysis, otherwise known as a CMA, that gives you an exact range of where you should list your price in today's market. Number 2, we provide you with a list of inspectors, home inspectors, pest inspectors, any other type of inspection you wish to get to your property before you bring it on the market. And we're there during all the inspections to monitor the progress and help guide and advise you. Number 3, clean. Does the house need to be cleaned, decluttered, paint, cleaned carpets, the yard cleaned up? Is there anything on the inspections that was found that was a safety issue that should be addressed? Once again, we're there to guide and advise you through that property to get your home ready to go on the market. And number 4, this is where Sotheby's International Realty really comes to fore, is marketing your property. Print advertising, digital advertising, social media, videos of your home, marketing through other agents throughout the Sotheby's network. Get it in front of as many eyes as possible to sell your home for as quick as possible and for as much money as possible. That is our goal. We're with you the whole way. If you have any questions or would like to list your property here on the Monterey Peninsula, reach out to us. Katie and I are happy to help. Have a great day.